Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product link in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Black Plus Decker BPACT14HWT. Large rooms like living rooms and master bedrooms are notoriously difficult for portable air conditioners. More space requires more power to adequately push the cool air through the entire room for proper circulation. If you find yourself requiring a good portable cooler for a larger space, you need a device with more BTUs than the average small air conditioner can provide. For larger spaces, Black Plus Decker's 14,000 BTUs conditioner will handle rooms up to 22x25. The unit relies on water evaporation to provide cool air, eliminating the need for pricey and dangerous coolants. Best of all, the air conditioner also turns into a heater with a single switch for rooms around 10x20. Finally, the head pivots up and down to keep the air circulating for long periods of time. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and don't forget to hit the like button.